Hello students, this is chapter 3 exercise 3rd A from R.S. Agrawal, factorization of polynomial, the chapter 3, and we will do from question 11, and these are the remaining questions 11, 12, 13, and as much we can solve it we will do. So try with me. This is question number 11. See all the terms. Here no such common factor which present in all the terms. So this will be solved by grouping. So make these two groups and these two, because you will take minus sign common, 2 common and z common. So what will be in the group? X plus y, and here also you can take x common and x plus y in the bracket. So take x common and x plus y in the bracket. Here take minus 2 common and z common. Now write down remaining which are not common. So here x in this factor and this minus you have taken plus y. Now this x plus y is common in both the terms, so take x plus y common and remaining part of the term, first term is x minus 2z. Answer. Question number 12. See all the terms. Here a cube, a square. So make these two groups, and here you can take 5 common and b common and these two groups. Let's see what happens. A square, lower degree, having that variable you can take common. So a square and b, these are common, and here in this term only a remains, minus a square b you have taken, so minus 1. Now see the next term, plus 5 common and b common. Now in the bracket a remains, minus 5b we have taken out, so minus 1. Now a minus 1 present in both the terms, so take a minus 1 as common, and other part in this term a square b plus 5b. Now see b also present in these two terms, so take b as common factor. So a minus 1 and take b common, and a square plus 5. So write down in sequence, first write b, then a minus 1, then a square plus 5. These are the factors. Answer. Question number 13. 8 minus 4a minus 2a cube plus a to the power of 4. Here we can make a group of these two, because you can take 4 common. So here 2 remains, and when you make other group, 2 present in the term. So I think this is right for grouping. So these two terms you can take out 4 common, because you can write 4 to the 8, 4 common, and in the bracket 2 minus a, because you have taken 4 common. Now here you can take a cube, because lower degree is 3, so a cube you can take out common. So write down here, this 2 is plus in the bracket, so minus a cube, and the remaining part 2. When you minus multiply it here, so this will be the same term as minus 2a cube. Now here this is plus, so you can write minus, because when you multiply this minus to this minus, minus into minus, this term become plus, as it is already in the plus. So, and you can write a, because a cube you have taken common, only a remains here. Next step, 2 minus a you can take common, and remaining part 4 minus a cube. This is the answer. Now question number 40. To making group, watch all the term. Here 2, and when you take 3 common in this term you will get 2 here. So we have try these 2 terms together and these 2 terms together. Now take common. So here lower power of x is 2, here x cube, so take out x cube, x square as common, and nothing is common in these 2 terms. Now here x minus 2y, this will be in the bracket. See other term. Here you can take 3 and x is not common, but y square is common. Lower power we should take common. So in the bracket x sign minus and 3 2s are 6. So 2 in the bracket and y cube, this is y square. So y remain here. Now see other term, these 2 terms, x minus 2y you can take common, and remaining part in the bracket x square plus 3y square. Answer. Now question number 15. See all the terms, px minus 5q. So you can't make a group of these 2 because nothing is common in these 2 terms. So see other term, this is pq and here px. So you can make group by these 2. Try, let's try it. So px plus pq, write down together, and here minus 5q minus 5x. Now take out common p, and in the bracket x plus q. Now minus sign common, 5 common, and remaining is q, and this sign you have taken out. So plus x. X plus q or q plus x are same thing. Take out common, x plus q and p minus 5. This is the answer. Next. Now which terms you can take together to grouping, to group x square, and here this is, and these 2 take together. So write down x square minus xy plus y minus x. Now x is common, so x minus y, and here take minus common, so that you can write it minus y, because minus and minus become plus. Minus you have taken common, so minus minus plus y as it is, and this is plus x, because minus you have taken out common. So these 2 terms are same now, x minus y, x minus y. Again you can write it like this, x minus y minus x, and this minus right here, and take x minus y as common, and in the bracket this part here remains x and minus and 1, because you taken out x minus y as common. So this is the answer. Next. Now question number 17, 3a minus 1 whole square minus 6a plus 2. Here no need to open this whole square. You can take common from these 2 terms and make same as 3a minus 1, this term. So write down here 3a minus 1 whole square and take 2 as common, or you can say minus 2. So this becomes 2 3 are 6, 3a. Now 2 3 are 6a, minus 6a as it is, so take 2 common, and here this is the plus, so put minus here, so that minus minus plus 1. Now 3a minus 1 whole square, and this is power 1, so one time you can take 3a minus 1 as common, and in the bracket remaining part, which is 3a minus 1, 3a minus 1 put in the bracket, because this is whole square, so one power you can take out, and other part you have right here, written here, minus 2. Now open this bracket, 3a minus 1, and write down it, 3a minus 1 minus 2. This becomes 3a minus 1, and minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. So 3a minus 3, and 3 as common, 3a minus 1, and you can take 3 from here as common, so a minus 1. And next step, write in sequence a, 3, a minus 1, and 3a minus 1 in order. Answer. Question number 18 is same as question number 17. This is whole square, so don't open this whole square, try to take common from these two terms. So this will be same as 2x minus 3. So 2x minus 3 whole square, and take, this is, you can write it, 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. So you can take 4 as common. So in the bracket 4 2s are 8, 2 and x. So this becomes same term when you multiply this 4 inside the bracket, 4 2s are 8, x minus 8x. Now this is 12 and plus 12. So put down right here minus, so that minus and minus plus. So don't mistake of sign, see the sign and which sign is required, that sign you will write here. So 4 3s are 12, write down 3. Now these are same, so and here power 1, so take 2x minus 3, this is the lower degree, so you can take 2x minus 3 common, and inside the bracket 2x minus 3, as this is whole square, so one power you have taken out, 2x minus 3, and in this term only 4 remain here. Now open 2x minus 3, and this becomes 2x minus 3 minus 4, so minus 3 and minus 4 minus 7, 2x minus 3 and 2x minus 7. Answer. Now look at all the terms for grouping, which will be best. Here a cube and a, and here minus 3a square and 3. So first you try these two group, and let's see what about of this. Here you can take a as common, so a square plus 1 in the remaining part of the term. Now minus 3 common, so in this term a square, and here minus taken out, so this become plus, and 3 taken out, only 1 here. So these are same, a square plus 1, so take it is as common factor. Now remaining a and minus 3, this is the factor. Answer. Now question number 20, 3ax minus 6ay minus 8by plus 4bx. Here 4 and 8, are you can break it 4 to the 8. It means you can take common 4 from these two terms, and here 3 to the 6. So 3 into 2, 3 you can take common from these two terms. So try to make these two terms together and these two terms together. Now what you can take common from here? 3 and a and not x, not y. Now write down the remaining part. 3a taken out, so x is here minus, and 3 to the 6, so 2 remains, and y. Now next step is you can take 4 common, so write down here minus 4, and what you can take other part? b common. Now nothing is common in these two terms, so write down this remaining part, which is 4 to the 8 means 2, b you have taken out, y 2y, and here this is a plus, so you can write here minus, but here minus 2y. Okay, so we have to make this term same as this term. So if you take plus sign here, so this is minus, because minus 2y is remain in the bracket, and because it is plus, when you multiply this plus sign inside, so this is plus, and 4b as common, x. Don't do mistake when you taken out plus or minus sign common. See the term, if it is negative, then make it is of same sign, and compare it to other term and make it common by taking minus common or plus common. Okay, so this is the most important thing for the factorization. Now see, these two terms are same, so take out it as common, x minus 2y, and write down the other remaining part, here 3a plus here 4b. Answer. The question number 21, ab x square plus a square x plus b square x plus ab. Now making the group, if you are putting these two terms together, ab x square and ab, then you can take ab as common and look the other two terms whether it is having same term as we have taken from the first grouping. So here when you take x common, then in the bracket a square plus b square, so this will not fit for the solution. So we are changing the group. Take these two terms together and these two. Let's see what about. Here you can take a, because a square here, so only, and a to the power of 1, a you can take common, and b present here, and here b is not, so b is not common. X square and x, only x you can take common. Now remaining part is b and x, bx plus a is common and other a in the bracket, and x is common. Now see the other term, what you can take common from this term. Put the sign plus, b common and take b common, and write down the remaining part, bx plus this b has taken out common plus a. So bx plus a present in both the term, take common bx plus a, and other part is ax and this is b, so plus b. Answer. So choose the group which is suitable for the factorization. The question number 22, x cube minus x square plus ax plus x minus a minus 1. This is somehow lengthy, but try to make group. If we are taking together x cube minus x square, so x square is common, x minus 1 in the bracket, and here you can take x common, a plus 1 in the bracket. So these are not fit. So here x minus 1. So choose the group so that x minus 1 is taking these two together, and here ax and minus a together, and this is together. Now what happens? Write down together x cube minus x square, and here plus ax and this minus a, then plus x minus 1. Now take common by these two, so x square you can take common and x minus 1 in the bracket. Here these two take a common, x minus 1 in the bracket, plus take 1 common, so x minus 1 in the bracket. X minus 1 is present in these three terms, take common x minus 1, and in the bracket x square plus a plus 1, because this is taken out. Now this is the answer. Question number 23, 2x plus 4y minus 8xy minus 1. When you take in together 2x and 4y, so this is not fit, because here only you can take constant term common and make the group these two together. So here when you take 4 common, the 2 will remain here, so this 2 will this and this making group. So 1 common factor we can take from that step. See, write down together 2x minus 1 plus 4y minus 8xy. Now here 2x minus 1 no common, and plus here you can take 4y, 4 first you take 4, because you can write it 4 to the 8, so 4 as common, and y you can take common. Here what remains? This is 1 and this is minus 1 here, some, and what is inside the bracket? 4 to the minus 2, 4 to the 8, and y common x. Now see these two, 2x minus 1, here 1 minus 2x, it means you should take minus sign common. So these two, 2x minus 1, this will be, you can write 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1 as it is, and take minus common, so minus 4y, and when you take minus sign common, so here minus, because minus minus plus, so this will be plus when you multiply this sign inside the bracket, and this minus you have taken out common, so here you can write plus 2x. Now these two terms are same when you take out, when you taken out minus sign common, so write down it 2x minus 1 common, and what remains here? Nothing except 1 minus, this is 4y, 4y. This is the answer. See the question number 24. Here AB x square plus y square and xy minus xy a square plus v square. you can't take common from these two terms any factor. So first you open this bracket. So AB x square, AB x square. Now AB multiplied the other term, AB y square. Now this minus xy and a square, minus xy a square and minus xy b square. Now make group so that we can take common. So here AB x square and a, and here AB, this will not, because this is already first it is given, so you can't make this group again. Try to other terms taking together. Now these two terms write together, AB x square minus xy a square. Now plus AB y square minus xy b square. See these two terms, what you can take in common, a, here a square, a, and b is not present in this term, x, and here x. So ax is common. Now write down the remaining part, a and x, means bx inside the bracket. Now write down minus, here ax taken out, only ay in the bracket. Now next term, a is not in this term, b you can take b, so write down here plus b, and y square, here y, so you can take only y as common. Write down the remaining part, a and b is taking out, y is taking out, only y remain in the bracket. Then put minus x, x is not common, so here x, and y is taking out common. Here b square, only one b taken out, so b is remaining. Now see these two terms, here bx minus ay, here minus bx and plus ay. It means you can take minus sign common from these two terms. So ax and bx minus ay, and when you taking out minus common, write down this term become minus ay and this become plus bx or xb, same thing. Now see, this is bx minus ay, this is bx minus ay, same, these are same. So taking out bx minus ay as common term, common factor, and remaining part ax it is, then minus, then by. Answer. Students, it's not necessary to make same group as I made. You can make other group, but it should be taking out common factor easily, and in coming steps the common factor you can take it out. So choose to make such groups so that easily common factor you can taking out, otherwise your question will not solve up to end. And we will do remaining questions of this exercise in the next session. Till then, as much. So please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.